And this is my most
live.
This is my most prized piece here.
Wow, the most prized.
Hand carved. And the woman who made this did this when she was 97.
Wow. From which country?
In China.
In China, okay.
See the back. See the details of the all handmade.
Wow.
Hand carved.
Wow.
The Chinese general.
Wow.
It's marble that is hand carved.
Wow.
But I got this. This is bronze, pure bronze from Athens in Greece.
Wow.
And this is Caesar, of course. Julius Caesar.
Wow. Abamieda.
Yes, about 70.
Wow. I just love this. Right in the middle. Yes, I'm at home with Dino tonight. Wow, that is so high.
High volume, yeah.
Yeah, wow. And so what's
Yeah, this way then. My kitchen.
wow, it's massive, massive. Wow, I love the set.
This has got history. I got it from Beirut, and it was made in the 17th century, 1770,
Wow,
from the precious material.
wow.
Area.
Wow.
And these are all pure handmade crystals, clips. Picked from Italy. And see them. They're all.
Wow. Oh, lovely. This is lovely. Their names? Okay. Oh. This is where all the energy comes from. After. Yes. Oh, okay.
There are 4 rooms on this floor
Okay.
for the kids. 4 rooms here. In the middle. And there's a guest toilet there.
Yeah.
And now a private meeting room here. Private room here. I think I'm using it there.
Beautiful. it.
Find out that everything here is Fendi.
Fendi, okay.
The curtains, the design of the curtain, the handle. You can see all this is Fendi. It's Fendi.
Okay. Fendi.
It's Fendi, yeah.
I love this.
I got this from Benin.
Benin.
And this is also one of my precious furnitures, handmade by Matthias Lamsong, an Italian woman who died at 96. But when she made this furniture, she was 84. Wow. And she gave you the video. Everything is handmade by her. Wow. When she died, King Fahad was there, Sultan of Brunei was at her burial, Queen Elizabeth was at her burial. She is a very special woman. So everything, including is all handmade by her. Everything handmade. Wow. And this is also from a live animal.
Wow.
And the pool is up here.
Okay.
The suspended pool here.
Okay. Wow. Okay, I think this is where you sat the day we had the interview. I remember. I was wondering, okay, where were you sitting?
And these are all bulletproof glasses.
Wow.
And because we are up, we are at the roof level of houses.
Okay. Yeah, I remember the Rolls Royce.
Yes. These are all speakers. Outdoor rock speakers.
Yeah. Yeah. So which is your favorite drink here?
I don't know alcohol.
You don't drink alcohol, you only serve it. You are like Tokumbo. Tokumbo doesn't drink, but he has every
I know
drink.
all alcohol. I know every time.
Wow. No, actually, if you drink alcohol, you will go mad.
I came out of my room already.
You go mad. You can't afford to drink, I swear. Wow. From outside, one would not know it is this big.
There's a gym, there's a party room in the basement.
Wow.
And it's a party room that can take 200.
Oh, wow.
And there's also a movie theater all in the basement.
Yeah, no alcohol. If he drinks, I don't know what will happen. That's one common passion we have.
Yes.
Books. Wow. Baba Obasanjo's my watch.
Yes.
Actually, this is my favorite part of the house. Wherever there are books. Where do you get most of your books?
Anywhere in the world I travel to, I buy books. I buy books all the time.
Yeah.
White House, in the office, the president, it's the same as Maggie.
Yeah.
And it's the same type. It's as Maggie products.
But yeah, only me.
Yeah,
I'm with the cut there. Wow. Interesting.
Come through the staircase.
Yes, would have landed here. Okay. So the day the police was camping here, where were you?
I will show you. I have a special.
Because I said, where is this man? They wanted to smoke you out. Wow. 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 Wonderful.
This is my exclusive perfume that I don't joke with. I have others, but these ones I don't joke with.
Okay, Creed.
I don't joke with these ones.
Creed, Roger.
Cliff Christian, I have the most expensive perfume in the world.
Wow. My wife moved from Creed to Amouage, and
This is one other. This is another vice that I have that apart from cars.
wow. Oh, wristwatches. Oh, ooh. What? This will be over 100
No,
pieces.
It's over 200 pieces.
Over 200 pieces. Wow. Even the cufflinks. So which is your favorite of all the 200 pieces?
Not favorite per se, but I like this. No, this one.
What make is that?
It's Richard Mille. It's pure diamonds. And these. This is a chopard.
Wow.
And of course, Rolexes. All these ones are all diamond. It's the Rolexes.
Wow.
Louis Vuitton boxes.
Wow. But do you ever sleep in this room or you sleep on the chair? Because most people like you, because a lot of people,
This is my every other day.
they, okay. Ah, see, but and which is your favorite again?
This one. Christian Louboutin. The right bottom.
CL. So this is like the bathroom of
This is
a 5-star
sauna and shower.
and shower. Yeah.